Hello and welcome to MarineMax Rogers. My name is Max Kavanaugh and today I have the pleasure of showing you guys this beautiful 2023 Sea Ray 290 SDX. Now taking a look up front here, you will see that beautiful stainless steel windlass anchor, which makes it really convenient when you're anchoring. On the exterior, you're going to notice these beautiful stainless steel cleats as well. They go around the entire boat. You have the nice black hull side color with the white hull bottom. And the white upper here looks super sharp. And as we make our way back, you have this beautiful Sea Ray logo. And looking up at the tower has a nice black accent panels in the middle. It comes with the big bimini top you see up there that's integrated nicely into the tower. So it's just really tied in very nicely. Moving back, you'll see it does come with a flagpole as well. And in the back of this 290 SDX, you have this beautiful big platform here with glue down sea deck here. Really nice on your feet, feels great on a nice summer day. You have these nice transom lounging seats in the back, so you can anchor out, sit back there, enjoy your kids or whoever jumping off into the water. Great entertainment boat. Now in the back as well, you'll notice you have a tow point back here. You can tow a tuber, skier, or a wakeboarder if you want to. You also will have this submersible swim platform that actually folds into the water when your stern drive is all the way down. So nice feature to step onto and up into the boat. Makes it convenient for you, so you're not always having to use that ladder there. You guys, that was the exterior. Let's go take a peek at the interior of the 290 SDX. All right, welcome inside this beautiful 290 SDX. I'll start off in the bow, very spacious, very wide. The beam of this boat is really carried up into the bow, which is really nice, but you still have that deep V hull, so you get a great ride out of the 290 SDX. Now, again, the bow, very spacious. You can accommodate a lot of people up there. They're gonna feel safe and secure. You have 2 Fusion speakers up there to give you sound in the bow. On the floor, as we notice here, it is the beautiful glue down sea deck, which is really nice. It feels great on the feet, which is an upgrade. Great feature. Does have an air dam that will open up like so. Actually lock into place like this, just like so. So a nice way to close this windshield, block off the air if you don't want any of that strong wind coming into the cockpit. Folds up nice and easy. Locks in place, so it's easily stowed and accessible. Underneath the helm, you do have storage here, and this is where a teak cockpit table is going to be stored, as well as the table leg. So dedicated storage for the table for the cockpit, which is nice. And when we move more towards the cockpit, you'll notice on the starboard side is where your helm is going to be, and on the port side you have a nice head location. And in this head is a vacuum flush toilet, which is very, very nice. Does have a holding tank as well, and it does have the head interior upgrade in there, so it's just finished off really nicely. At the helm, you will notice this beautiful helm seat here has a bolster that flips down and flips up, and this seat here will also slide into different positions. So now I can sit here and face the cockpit and talk to everybody that's in my boat, which is very nice. Reverse it, and now I'm the driver. You have a beautiful leather wrapped steering wheel here, 3-spoke design. Your Fusion audio system is mounted here. You have your physical toggle switches, some to control the anchor, some to control your lighting, which is nice. Your Simrad screen is the 12-inch upgraded Simrad screen. Gives you lots of information, charts of the lakes, the depths, shows you engine information. You can customize the screen to your liking as well. So great feature to have in this boat. You will have physical trim switches here as well. The newly designed throttle for MerCruiser. Start and stop button right here. Also, you have a physical key right here if you want to turn the boat on with the physical key. Gives you that option. So Sea Ray's done a very nice job. Both very well pointed. Again, even the Sea Ray embroidered logo here, the hexagonal stitching here, really cool. They've done a really nice job. And as we move back, we'll have in-floor storage here, which is nice. So kind of like a ski locker. Underneath this seat right here, and then lift it up, we'll have a cockpit cool box. You can throw some ice in there. Turn this dial. Actually, will start to cool that area and you can throw drinks, sandwiches, anything like that. That'll stay nice and cool during the day. Dedicated cooler down below. You'll have cup holders down below as well. Some accent lighting, which is currently on right now. You'll have this little prep station right here, which is nice. So if you want to put out some snacks for your kids, otherwise you can use this area as almost like a little cooler again. Throw ice in there, throw drinks on top, take these off, and easy access to things like that. Underneath this lid right here, you do have a sink that pops up like so, which is nice. Wash your hands off, that sort of thing. Underneath here, you'll have more storage, which is great. They've done a nice job with the storage on this 290. It's a big open bow day boat, but still plenty of storage to have beach bags, dock lines, fenders with you. As we make our way back here too, you'll notice again this L-shaped seating here, which is really nice. It's the stone interior gray. Looks really sharp, doesn't get hot in the sun, so you'll definitely be very cozy on the water. As we make our way back, you will have this nice walk-through, which is super nice, especially when you're boarding the boat from a dock. You can also use this step down here to either access a dock that's higher up or step onto that to make it easier to get into the boat. You have your transom washdown station right here, which is nice, especially if you have kids that are boarding the boat from the back. They can wash their feet off. Gas tank right here, easy to access. Pull up to your dock or to a marina, get filled up. You have storage underneath here, a transom mounted stereo remote right here. You can control your audio from right here, which is nice. Switch your songs, turn up the volume. You have a little 12-volt outlet right here, so you can blow up your water toys with a little pump. And then in the back here, a very spacious platform. You just feel safe back here. And looking at these lounging seats here, they look super comfortable. Couple cup holders, some storage underneath here. Very, very well appointed and well finished off. You guys, this is the Sea Ray 290 SDX here at the MarineMax Rogers location. If you guys have any questions, give us a call or come stop by. We'd be glad to show you this boat along with many others that we have in stock right now. Other than that, have a great day.